Here's a 1209 John Deere Haybine. Some vintage to this thing, but still works pretty good. This particular one had a small area where the rubber actually got smashed out, probably hit a rock or something. I would say probably 2 by 3 inches. And here you can see the bare metal. It's an easy fix to get this going again, or to at least prolong its life. And that is, you basically just take a wire brush, maybe some brake cleaner to clean it all off. And then what I used here is JB-Weld Kwik. You just mix that stuff up, slap it on there, and wait for it to dry. Shouldn't take too long. Here's the result after probably cutting, I don't know, 200 acres, and it's still holding up pretty good, which is pretty amazing for such a cheap fix. Now, if I would have left this and not fixed it, my guess is this hole would have just got bigger and bigger. So if you have a Haybine, something like this, take this JB-Weld, put it on there, and you should be good to go for a couple of years at least.